Canon EOS R6 Mark II expectations in every way. As a snapper, I'm constantly looking for equipment that will allow me to capture moments with accuracy and clarity, and this camera has certainly delivered. First and foremost, the visual quality is exceptional. The EOS R6 Mark II has a wonderful sensor that creates photographs that are both crisp and colorful. The camera's dynamic range and color accuracy are absolutely outstanding, whether I'm shooting in low light or brilliant sunlight. I've been able to catch subtleties and nuances in my images that my prior camera couldn't. The autofocus mechanism is extremely quick and precise. Fujifilm X-S20. Following that is the Fujifilm X-S20 mirrorless digital camera XF18-55mm lens kit. This is a sturdy build quality guaranteed me of its endurance. Setting it up was a breeze. 18-55mm lens exceeded my expectations, producing great image quality with incredible sharpness and clarity. Its adaptability enabled me to easily handle a wide range of shooting circumstances. It was a delight to use the camera's user-friendly UI, and the responsive touchscreen LCD added a layer of ease to the shooting experience. Even better, its focusing mechanism proved to be lightning fast and incredibly accurate in difficult lighting circumstances. The film simulation settings, a Fujifilm hallmark, were a noteworthy feature that let me to explore with various artistic looks and styles, infusing my photographs with a distinct and creative flair. The in-camera. Next up is the GoPro HERO1. This is a tremendous powerhouse in the realm of action cameras, and its capabilities have blown me away. Its waterproof build guarantees that it can weather even the most strenuous outdoor experiences, and the 5.3K HDR video quality it provides is nothing short of amazing, capturing every detail with astonishing clarity and color. My images have never looked better with a 27mm sensor, and the 1.9 sensor size improves the camera's performance even more. The addition of live streaming and webcam technology increases its adaptability, allowing me to share my experiences with friends, family, and followers in real 50-piece accessory kit and 2 spare batteries, so I can shoot for lengthy periods of time without worrying about storage or power. The Hero 12's versatility is further enhanced by its ability to handle a broad range of attachments, making it a fantastic choice for anybody wishing to document their experiences with unrivaled quality and simplicity. Sony A7 the Sony Alpha 7 full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera is next, accompanied by the Sony FE 16-35mm f2.8 GM wide-angle zoom lens. Its full-frame sensor, along with powerful image processing, produces photographs that are amazingly clear and detailed, while its low-light capabilities offer beautiful results even in ideal for landscapes, architecture, and other subjects. The lens's fast f2.8 aperture produces gorgeous bokeh and works admirably in low light. The sophisticated autofocus mechanism of the Alpha 7 IV tracks subjects precisely, ensuring that every photo is completely in focus. It also excels at 4K video recording, making it an ideal choice for content makers and videographers. While the ergonomic design of the camera, tilting touchscreen, following it, there is the Olympus OM System OM1 Micro Four Thirds System camera. It is a remarkable technological marvel of modern photography. Its 20mm BSI stacked sensor produces superb image quality even in difficult shooting settings. The stacked sensor architecture boosts speed and efficiency, resulting in rapid and precise focusing, ideal for shooting fast-moving subjects. The weather-sealed construction of this camera guarantees that it can endure the elements, providing photographers the confidence to shoot in a variety of weather situations without stress. The OM1's 5-axis image stabilization. Sony ZV-1 II. The final one is the Sony ZV-1 II Vlog. Its tiny and portable form is ideal for filming on the go, and the enhanced capabilities make it an even more flexible tool for capturing high-quality material. With its amazing focusing skills, I can capture high-quality movies with confidence, knowing that I'll always be in focus. While vlogging, the flip-out LCD screen comes in handy for framing images and evaluating my composition. Even while I'm moving about, the camera's built-in picture stabilization guarantees that my films are smooth and stable. What's more, this ZV-1 II provides a variety of creative choices, such as backdrop defocus, which gives a professional touch to my movies by blurring the background and focusing on myself. Microphone and audio input choices are a significant benefit since they ensure that my audio quality matches the visual quality. Added to that, the increased low light performance enables me to record great footage even in difficult lighting settings.
Thanks for joining us on this journey, and here's to an amazing year of tech innovation. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and stay tech savvy.